check the steak because I don't know if it's the way you want it. And frankly,
take it off in 1 minute.
frankly, I don't fucking care.
In 1 minute, take it off.
Are you videotaping me? You're fucking gay. You're gay. You're gay. Let me tell you a secret about how gay you are. Gayer than the person that sits out and watches stars. You're fucking gay, just like my brother. 'Cause y'all don't have anything better to do but lick your mother. Here, it's done, stupid bitch. God. And I took the littler steak. I don't see how that should have happened. Whoa! You're gay.
The littler?
Yeah, the littlest. The more little. What the fuck ever the proper grammar that is. Oh shit, the microwave's broken forever. Oh my god. I think it's on its last leg.
What'd you do?
I don't know, but it ain't working anymore. Look. Peter? The microwave's dead.
What happened?
I don't know, but it won't turn on anymore. Come on, dude, for real. Really, for real. It's not coming on. It's fucking dead. Like it's on its last leg. It's never gonna work again, ever. Microwave's fucking dead.